Hey, today we're going to learn how to make copters. Cool, huh? Open one side, open the other side, and it flies. And there you have a copter. And there you have a helicopter. Fun toy. And he's ready to fly. And here he goes. Cool. Of course, you can do the blank ones, but my favorite is Timbo. And you can make any type of design you want. You could just use your imagination. I did Angry Birds and some helicopter and a flower. Or you can make a ninja, or a spider, or a frog, or anything you want to do. You can even make flag designs. Anything you want. And they fly really fun. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed making them. There's a Timbocopter and a Frogcopter. They're really fun to fly and they're fun to play with, so I hope you have fun playing with them as much as I do.